That are 3 bald eagles in that tree. I can see the adult. There might be 2 adults. I don't know about the one on the tippy top. Those are bald eagles, and thank you, Jesus. Yeah. There they are. So we got those 2. Now the third one's kind of up at the top and he's kind of camouflaged, but you can definitely see a silhouette there. Wow. So happy to get this close to him. Alrighty, I guess shrink back down. Now I noticed a little bit of changes. I don't see my little there. You can see the third eagle better. Might be an immature, but those 2 on the lower branch